Good morning, welcome to online class. My college is Indira Priyadarshini Government Degree College for Women, Nampalli, Hyderabad. Today discuss the topic is Valvax. Valvax Life History, presented by B. Jagan Mohan, lecturer in botany. The topic contents: introduction, systematic position, occurrence, thallus structure, reproduction, and life cycle. The Valvax is the one of the algae. This class is Chlorophyceae. Some of Chlorophyceae characters. Chlorophyceae is a here the members of Chlorophyceae are commonly called green algae. The plant body may be unicellular, colonyal, or filamentous. They are usually grass green due to the dominance of pigments chlorophyll A and B. The pigments are localized in definite chlorops. The chloroplast may be discoid, plate-like, reticulate, cup-shaped, spiral, or ribbon-shaped in different species. Most of the members have one or more storage bodies called pyrenoids located in the chloropyrenoids contain protein bodies. Starch. Some algae may store food in the form of oil drops. Green algae usually have a rigid cell wall made of an inner layer of cellulose and an outer layer of pectose. So this is the sum of character of Chlorophyceae. Then after Valvax systematic position. Valvax systematic position is kingdom. First of all, kingdom Plantae. Plantae means plant. Next division is Chlorophyta. Chlorophyta are Chlorophyceae. Subclass is Chlorophyceae. Order is Valvaceae. Family Valvaceae. Genus is Valvax. So here Valvax occurrence includes about 20 species. Valvax is the most highly evolved cenobial alga, both in its morphology and reproduction. It has about 20 species which occur in freshwater of ponds and pools. The plant appears like spherical balls of pinhead size. The colonies multiply so rapidly during rainy season. They mostly occur in freshwater bodies. It forms a beautiful green colored phytoplankton on the surface of the water body. It occurs as green rolling balls of pinhead sized. That is called cynobia. The colony multiplies, so the genus is represented in India by 6 species of there. Of these, Volvox globator, Volvox aris, Volvox prolificus, Volvox africans. Commonly, Volvox merely are of less common occurrence. This is the occurrence of Volvox. Volvox is a spherical freshwater colony of chlorophyta that is composed of flagellal cells. The colonies are very large and can be seen with the naked eye in most circumstances. The vegetative structure. The plant body a multicellular motile synobium. Here, Volvox is a colonyal alga, and the colonies are oval to spherical in space, each with 500 to 60,000 cells. The number of cells in each colony is in multiply of 2 and each species has a definite of cells. Such colonies which define number of cells are called cynobia. So each cell is biflagellated and the alga rolls over the surface of the water by the giant action of flagella. The synobium of Volvox is an assemble of similar and independent cells. Each cell performs its own functions of nutrition, respiration, and excretions. Each cell has its own gelatinous sheaths. It is connected with the sheath of other cells by a species of cytoplasmic strands called plasmodesmata. And here the synobium Volvox is assembled similar and independent cells. Each cell performs its own functions of nutrition, respiration, and excretion. Each cell has its own gelatinous sheath. Other cell by a series of cytoplasmic standard called plasmodesmata. In this diagram, cytoplasmic standard and outer borderly of a mucilase sheath and manner of number of cells in colony. The colony is a halo ball with nearly 500 to 50 or 60,000 individual cells. Cells that are separated from the colony look just like any other single called protist. Each individual cell has an eye spot with scenes light. Color the eye spot red. The cells with the most sensitive eye spot line up toward the front of the sphere, and the rest of the cells point their flagella towards the back. The nucleus of individual cells coordinate their flagella so that the valvax hair moves in one direction. Color the nucleus purple. Each of the cell in valvax has two flagella and color the flagella is black. Flagella are bead by individual cells together with other cells. This allows the valvax to move through the water in an orderly manner. Once the valvax reach a light source, it uses its chloroplast to carry out photosynthetic to produce food for the cell. Color the chloroplast is green. So valvax are autotrophic. The individual valvax cells also have a contractile vacuole to help regulate the amount of water within the cell. Color the contractile vacuole orange. Water is absorbed through the cell membrane. Cell membrane light blue color. The interior of each individual cell is filled with cytoplasm. The cytoplasm also connects individual valvax cell to create the colony cell. Here the diagram. Individual cells form colonies multicellular or up to 50 or 60,000 cannot live alone. Eye spots that allow them to swim near light, flagellate locomotions. In this diagram, two flagella, eye spot is red color and nucleus is blue color. Contractile vacuole, colorless vacuoles, and chloroplast in this consist of chloroplast. And under diagram is synovium, gelatinous cell wall. This is the one of colony. Biflagellated cells in a single layer. Cells are anterior and have large stigma and a halo shell. Daughter Synovia in this colony formed asexually, only released when the parent colony break down. Synovia are formed in freshwater pools and the large colonies visible to the naked eye. So this is the cell structure and movement. The movement of plant body. Movement of the colony. Volvox is a motile alga. All the cells have two long whip-like means here acronomatic flagella. Volvox is a motile algae. All the cells have two long acronomatic flagella. Acronomatic is type of acronomatic flagella type. The flagella at the beginning are near to each other, but their distal ends diverge. This is the movement of colony and reproduction. Commonly, volvox reproduce both by asexual and sexual methods. Asexual reproduction occurs during the growing season in spring and early summer months. Sexual reproduction takes place towards the end of summer season. So here first one is asexual method. Asexual reproduction in volvox occurs during following seasons at maturity. Few cells in posterior half are passed back into hollow cavity. Asexual reproduction occurs during the favorable conditions, mainly once the young synovium attains maturity. A few cells, nearly 2 to 50 cells in synovium, in the posterior half of the colony are pushed back into the hollow cavity. First one. These cells withdraw their flagella and increase in size and become rounded in shape. These reproductive cells are called gonidia or parthogonidia. So, these cells develop numerous pyrenoids within their chloroplast. The nucleus is surrounded in the center of the cell. The protoplasm of each gonidium divides by successive longitudinal divisions and forms daughter synovia. Development of daughter colony. The gonidial cell divides longitudinally and simultaneously. The 8 called stage is called the placia stage. This is the first one stage. In placia stage consists of 8 nucleus. And then after the cells of these 8 cells circulate plate or placia arranged in such manner that their concave surface fuse towards outer side. Another longitudinal division in the placia result in the formation of 16 called stage. The cells become arranged in a hollow spire with an opening called phyllofer towards the outer edge. The phyllofer eventually becomes the posterior pole of the daughter colony. The cells continue to divide longitudinally until a definite number of the cells are formed specific to particular species. The cells are necked with their anterior end directed towards the center of the sphere. After the cell division stops, the young daughter colony turns itself inside out by a process called inversion. During this turning, the inside of a shock to the outside. Due to this inversion, the inside portions of young synobium turns toward the outside. The protoplasm of each gonidia divide by successive longitudinal divisions, then after daughter synobium to form daughter synobium. Sometimes young synobia are formed inside the young daughter synobia called grand daughter colonies. This is the asexual reproduction in volvox. Now the sexual reproduction. The sexual reproduction is also called oogamous type. Here, sexual reproduction in volvox take place toward the end of the growing season. In all species, it is of oogamous type. The species of volvox are either monoecious, example volvox globator, or dioecious, example volvox arvius. The monoecious species are protandrous, i.e. Antheridia mature before oogonia. Protandra means Antheridia mature before oogonia. Some species of the cells located in the posterior part of the colony increase in size and act as sex cells. Here, some of the volvox cell located in the posterior part of the colony increase in size and act as sex cells. They are called gametangia. Here they are called gametangia. Usually the gametangia are limited in manner. The male and female gametangia are called Antheridia and oogonia respectively. Here, sexual reproduction organ in volvox. Thus name called Antheridia is male organ, oogonia is female organ. So, Antheridia. Here, terminal are intercalary in position. A cap cell acts a antheridial mother cell and divides into two cells, i.e. antheridia cell and sister cell. The antheridial cell gives rise to two daughter protoplast and gives rise to antherizide or spermatized. Here the antheridia, the enlarged gonidium. Here sexual reproduction contained in colony. The cell is gonidia, gonidial cells. Here the gonidial, the enlarge of gonidium like cell by successive longitudinal division produce nearly 64 or 128 spindle shaped biflagellated antherizides. They are arranged in the form a plate. When the antherized are more than 128, inversion occurs just like in the daughter colony. The antherized are yellow-green in color. They are liberated as a unit, swim around as a unit. They do not separate as individual antherized until they reach the egg cells. Next, the second one is female organ. Female organ in volvox, that is oogonia. Here gonidia. In this colony, gonidial cells. The gonidia-like cells enlarge and functions as oogonia. Oogonia is dark colored and it is either round or flask shaped. The protoplasm functions an egg. It is surrounded by a firm and close fitting membranes. It has no flagella. The beak of the flask shaped oogonium opens at the surface of the colony. This is the antheridium. In this diagram, oogonia and antheridium forms in colony or cenobium. Here this diagram, fertilization. One diagram is male organs and other diagram is female. Here symbol also here, male and female. In this located in cenobium or colony. After formation of gametes after fertilization. This is also sexual reproduction diagram and fertilization. Before fertilization, the entire masses of spermatozoids swims as a unit due to the Chemotactic stimulation, the packet of anthracids break off the vicinity of the egg. Anthracite swims slow through the gelatinous sheath around the egg and probable enters it from a side. In monoecious species, the sperm packets dissociate within the colony where they are produced and fertilize the egg therein. So, after fertilization, the formation of zygote. Then the zygote. Zygote is diploid stage. The diploid zygote develops a thick wall and becomes red due to accumulations of hematochrome. The wall of the zygote may be smooth or stellate. Here also diagram. The zygote is otherwise called oospore. It comes out to the zygote. Zygote secretes its own cell wall. It is three-layered: exospore, mesospore, and endospore. In this diagram, three-layered appear. The zygote remains embedded inside the oogonia and tides over the unfavorable conditions. The zygote remains embedded inside the oogonia and tides over the unfavorable condition. Finally, the parent colony disease and the zygote full to the bottom of water body. Prior to germination, the diploid nucleus of zygote divides by meiosis. The zygote protoplasm metamorphoses into zygospore. Zygote induced divides to form a hollow sphere of cells and produce a young synovia. And the zygote is the zygote germination. It remains dormant for some time after release the synovium. The zygote germinates during favorable conditions. It undergoes meiosis first, resulting in 4 haploid nucleus. First, the zygote undergoes to meiosis division, resulting in 4 haploid cells or 4 haploid nucleus. Out of the 4 nucleus, 3 nucleus degenerated. On generation of the outer wall of the oospore spills and the inner wall forms a vesicle. The zygote protoplast develops a biflagellated zoospore inside the vesicle. The zygote rarely escapes from the vesicle and becomes a free swimming. The protoplast of the zoospore divides to form a hollow sphere of cells. The sphere of about 128 to 500 cells and undergoes the process of inversion before it is set free. The cells increase in number until a fully developed colony is produced. The protoplast of the oospore by repeated divisions directly develops into a colony as in asexual reproduction. So this is the development of and germination of zygote. Then after life cycle. The life cycle is Volvox. Life cycle in Volvox is called haploid or haplontic cycle. That belong to the haploid germination while the zygote represents the diploid phase. That belong to haploid generation while the zygote represents the diploid phase. Soon the zygote undergoes meiosis to form the colony of haploid daughter cells. This is the life cycle of the Volvox. In this diagram, first is asexual. Daughter colony Volvox to gonadial cell. In this colony, gonadial cell to form a daughter colony. This daughter colony to form a synovium. This is the asexual reproduction. Next, in this diagram, Volvox sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is male and female gametes, formation of male and female gametes, oogonia and antheridium. Here antheridium, oogonium, formation of antheridium and oogonium. Antheridium is produce many antherigids and oogonia is produce egg cells. Here oogonia produced by only one egg cells. After form the sex organs to participate fertilization, pollination and fertilization. After fertilization, the forming of zygote. Then after divided into meiosis, 3 cells is degenerated and 1 is germination. The a new colony or new synovium. This is the life cycle of the volvox. So this topic is over. Thank you.